Hello everyone, let me give my introduction. My name is Mansi Chaudhary and I am from class 8C. I am here to tell you about my art integration project, subject geography, topic economic structure of Maharashtra and Odisha. So let's first know about the economic structure of Maharashtra. The economic of Maharashtra is the largest in India. It is one of the most urbanized of Indian states. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, is considered the financial capital of India, with the headquarters of almost all major banks, financial institute, insurance company and mutual funds based in the city. India's largest stock exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, the oldest in Asia, also located in the city. More than 41% of SP NX 500 conglomerates have corporate office in Maharashtra. So in this first picture you can see it is a skyline of Mumbai, the capital of Maharashtra and the financial center of India. And in the second picture it is shown by map wise the economy of Maharashtra. Then Maharashtra is the India's leading industrial state, contributing 13% of national industrial output. Almost 46% of the SDPS is contributed by the industry. Maharashtra has software parks in many cities around the state and is the second largest exporter of the software with annual export over 80,000 crores. Although highly industries, agriculture continues to be the main occupation in many regions of the state. 64.14% of people employed in agriculture and allied activity. Now it is the economic survey of Maharashtra. You can see in the year 2012 to 13 it was 8.4%. Then in 2013 to 14 it is 8.6. 2014 to 15 it is 8.9. 2015 to 16 it was 8.9 again, and in 2016 to 17 it was 8.8. It is the debt stock as interest payment of economy survey of Maharashtra. Then agriculture of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a highly industrial state of India. Agriculture continues to be the main occupation in the state. Since most of cultivable land is still rain fed in the southwest monsoon season between June and September is critical to the food sufficiency and quality of the life in the states. Therefore, the agriculture calendar of Maharashtra and other parts of India is governed by monsoon. Many sculptation and time distribution, spiritual distribution of the quality of the monsoon rain may be lead to condition the floods and drought suffer. This has causing effect of the secondary economic sector. The main cash crop includes the cotton, sugarcane, turmeric, and several oil seeds, including the groundnut, sunflower, and soybean. The state have huge area under cultivation of fruits, which include the mangoes, bananas, grapes, pomegranate, and orange are the main ones. This is the agriculture of Maharashtra. In the first picture, you can see the soyagram farm at Chinnawala village in Maharashtra, and in the second picture, you can see it is a sugarcane waiting at a cooperative sugar mill in the Maharashtra, India. Now let's move to the economic of Odisha. Now, economic of Odisha is one of the fastest growing economy in India. According to 2014 to 15 economy survey, Odisha gross state's domestic product GSDP was accepted to grow at 8.78%. Odisha has an agriculture based economy which is in transition towards an industry and service based economy. According to recent estimate, the size of Odisha economy increased by 122.27% during the last 6 years in terms of the gross state domestic product GSDP. Thereby, Odisha achieved an annual average growth rate of 6.23% during that period. Odisha is also one of the top FDI destination in India. In the fiscal year 2011 to 12, Odisha received in investment proposal worth of 49,527 crore. So in the first, it is the economy of Odisha. The first picture, it is a Bhubaneswar, the capital of Odisha, and in the second picture it is shown by map wise. Then here it is the economic survey of Odisha in every year till 2011 to 2012 it is shown. Then agriculture of Odisha. So according to the 2011 census of India, 61.8% of the working population has engaged in agricultural activity. However, the agricultural contribution to the GSDP was 16.3% in the fiscal year 2013 to 14, and it was estimated to be 15.4% in 2014 to 15. The area under cultivation was 5,691 hectares in 2005 to 6, and it dropped to 5,424 hectares in 2013 to 14. Rice in dominant crop is Odisha. It has grown on 77% of the area under cultivation. Odisha produced 8,360 metric tons of rice in 2013 to 14, a drop from 10,210 metric tons due to cyclonic Pauline. On 22 November 2017, Odisha government decided to launch Navabarkun Chaudhary Session Ion Yojana to provide irrigation facility to about 55,000 hectares of agricultural land of Odisha. So in this picture you can see it is a production of rice in Odisha, that how it is produced. Reflection of the project. I conclude by doing this project that I have got information about both economic structure of Maharashtra and Odisha. We let know that what are the economy of Maharashtra and Odisha, their agriculture economy and their economy survey. I have very fun and I love to do this project, and it is the easy way to understand about the economy of Maharashtra and Odisha through this project. I have very fun and I love to do this project. Thank you for watching.